Are you some sort of sovereign citizen or something?
No, I'm not, and that's defamation.
I'm sorry? I'm asking you a question. I'm not telling you.
No, sir, I do not work for the police.
Station number 6.
Turn your camera off.
Don't you dare touch me.
Turn your camera off. You're not supposed to have a camera on.
Who said that?
It's a policy.
Oh.
We go by the law.
Yeah, we go.
Okay. Yeah, I was told about you guys. Anyway.
We were told about you too.
Ooh, like what's this here? Is that air quotes?
I don't know. It's his IQ. It might be his IQ.
Huh?
That might be his IQ.
You want to just take a screenshot of part of the lease?
Do you think?
There you go.
Screenshot of that, the address.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, good. Yeah. Are you the tax collector?
No, I'm not.
You're not Mike?
No, I'm not.
You don't feel like Mike?
Who?
Be like Mike. No.
No.
You got
I don't think it's Mike Fasano here, is it?
No.
It's Charles Thomas?
Correct. Yep.
This is Pinellas?
Oh, that's right. It's Pinellas. Right.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you.
What do you need to get done?
No, thank you.
Update my
What do you got rubber banded on there?
Okay. Did you bring a bill or a piece of mail that has your new address? Yes.
What is it?
They'll call you by that number.
You're very friendly, sir.
It's an hour wait right now.
Huh?
Thank you.
Well, changed his attitude pretty quick.
Boy, did he.
Hi.
I'm a love and not a fight.
What are you?
That's right.
I didn't hear what you said. What'd you say?
Said I'm a hard worker.
All right. If you say so.
Touchy-feely kind of guy, aren't you?
Hey, look.
I guess I'll call him.
No standing in that area.
Hold on a second. Hold on.
I know, that's what we said the same thing. We're like, we can't stand.
Oh, wait, sit down. Oh, wait until she gets...
I get a better angle anyway. I guess I'll stand somewhere else.
131.
No standing. Tomorrow it's going to say no crouching or sitting. He was almost famous.
Really?
He was.
Yeah.
He was on.
No, the next guy.
Yeah, he tried going like this and reaching for my camera. And you can't do that. Would be what we call battery.
Yeah.
Simple battery. Unwanted touching specifically.
I gotcha.
Yeah.
Especially when you're armed.
Yeah, that's actually a felony.
Yeah.
No, I'm going to say.
What's this?
What's this
mean? Can you tell me what this means?
This means peace.
Oh, does it? What if you move it like this? Is this like Little Rabbit Foo-Foo?
What did you get when you were a little kid? Nothing.
Wouldn't it like Little Rabbit Foo-Foo?
Foo-foo. I don't know. Foo-foo.
QR codes. Wait, make that make sense. You can't video or photograph, but they put all these QR codes. How does that make sense?
So you got to sit down and draw it. Yeah.
Wait. One second.
¿Qué? Que lo grabes. Que lo grabes. Ah, yo solo habla muy poquito español. Yo soy griego.
Can you record that?
Sure, why not? What is this?
It's just a business we have, small business.
Taco? Taquería te chingón. Taquería ta chingón.
Why are you recording here? Something.
Why?
Yeah. Just asking.
Because in America, anybody is allowed to be media. It's law.
Oh, I know.
Well, they don't like it.
I see it.
And we don't care if they don't like it. We're still going to do it because we're Americans. That's it.
What are you gonna post it? YouTube?
Oh, yeah. You want mine? You want mine? Sure. JOHN.
Do it yourself. So it's gonna be.
Here, hold my camera.
Now serving S108 at station number 17.
So, John Felix. No. This is me.
So I watch a lot of videos on YouTube. So I watch YouTube.
And, well, see, that's somebody else stole my video. Son of a bitches. How the hell am I not coming up? There I am.
Alright, do that.
Hey, 250,000 subscribers.
Okay, that's something.
Now
Thank you, man.
I mean, thank you.
Appreciate you. Have a good day.
179.
When we first walked in, that dude tried to grab. Yeah, and then he went back and that dude way in the back told him to leave him alone, and that was the end of it.
Yeah, they didn't know I was with y'all, and they were just talking some smack
What were they saying?
about doing it for clicks and views.
Oh, clicks and views, yeah.
Antagonize people.
Clicks and views.
See 'em?
Clicks and views. That guy is butthurt, hard butthurt. If I had to wear purple stripes on my pants, I'd be pissy too.
The guy was saying he's been watching your channel.
Oh yeah? Who said that?
This guy that just walked over here with the girl.
Oh, okay.
Where they went.
That's awesome.
Yeah. The guard's the one that said you were trying to antagonize him.
I was trying to antagonize him.
Why do the cameras do you so dirty?
Now serving 132. Station number 13.
Dude, this is the ultimate extortion racket right here.
It is.
It really is.
They're just piling in to get their money.
Dude, I bet you this place makes more money than the casino.
Oh, absolutely. Look at how busy this place is.
All right, we almost had a problem here, but it was corrected quickly. Cool. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace. Tranquility.